Hello friends, today I am going to show you the structure and the working of power supply. This is a plus minus 5 volt power supply which is generally used in the lab and at so many places wherever plus 5 volt or minus 5 volt voltage is required. Okay, so now this is first of all this is the supply line. From here we connect here, it comes here, and then after that it goes to the input of the transformer. Okay, so now you can see here it goes first of all to the switch here. This is on off switch, and after the on off switch it goes to this transformer. Okay, this part is the input of the transformer. So 220 volt it is given as the input, and the output we get from here. And here you can see output of this transformer. It is given to this bridge rectifier. Now you can see 4 diodes are there. Okay, after this bridge rectifier, for filtering of the output, here 2 capacitors are used. Okay, so these 2 capacitors are used to filter the pulsating DC which is coming from the output of this bridge rectifier. And after this capacitor, we give that output to the input of this regulator. This is, now you can see this is regulator. This is 7805. Okay, this is 7805. So 7805 is plus 5 volt voltage regulator. Okay, and here this is mounted on this aluminum plate to dissipate the heat, because when we use this power supply, then in that case this 7805 regulator emits a lot of heat. To dissipate that heat, we use this aluminum sheet. Okay, in the same way, same type of regulator IC is also present here. Okay, here at the lower portion, but that IC is, that IC or regulator, we can say that regulator is 7905. 7905 is minus 5 volt regulator, and 7805, this is plus 5 volt regulator. And that output means plus 5 volt, it is connected to here. The output of this plus 7805 regulator is connected to this portion, means here plus 5 volt. Now you can see here this is plus 5 volt. Okay, and the output of this 7905 regulator is given here minus 5 volt. I hope the structure here is clear. So I'm going to show you how we can troubleshoot. So if there is any type of problem, then how we can check. So live I will show you. So first now you can see I'm using here a multimeter. So now you can see I'm turning on to this 600 range. Then after, simply turn on power supply. After turning on, we have to check what is the voltage. So for seeing the voltage, so these two are the inputs, so we will see so how much voltage is coming. Okay, now here it is off, so now we are going to turn on. So now you can see input of the transformer, it is 237 or 38, that is. Okay, so in the same way we have to check the output. So output portion we can check here. Now you can see output, what is coming. Now okay, if it is not coming, it is coming 6 volt. Okay, and in between middle and the left pole. And in the same way, if I connect to this, so I will get around 6 6 12 means around 12. So here it is coming 14 volt. Okay, so it means this transformer is working properly. In the same way, we can check the output also. So here transformer output it is AC, but here after regulation and rectification we get DC. So here we get DC. Okay, so to measure DC we have to change the range to 20 volt DC. So now you can see, so I am going to, so now you can see here, so multimeter is showing 5.03, it means around 5 volt. Okay, in the same way, and if I check the other one, so this side, so now you can see this is giving minus 5.55, it means around minus 5 volt. Okay, so I think it is clear. So to watch such type of informative videos related to electronics, electrical and computer, please like and subscribe my channel. Well, thank you all. We will see in another videos. Thank you.